Hey guys, it's the last day of hunting season. Kind of depressed, but I'm really excited. I've been sitting in this tree stand all winter thinking about things I need to improve on. So while season's over, it's time to go to work. We got a lot to do to get ready for next year. All right guys, it's time to take this orange off. I'm personally sick of it, but we need to wear it during the season. You know, after season's over, time to go to work. The woods have changed from spring. You know, the leaves fall, things turn gray, and now's the time to figure out where we want to put our new tree stands for next year. It's easier to see the paths of the deer through the woods during the winter than it is during the summer, at least for me. So we're going to take advantage of this time right after season to get out here and get busy. We're going to move some stands. We're going to get our corn feeders going. We're going to get deer back on this land as quick as we can, and we're going to take care of them. We're going to put out some protein pellets. We want them to be healthy this spring and really grow some big racks. We're going to get our cameras up. We're going to change out the batteries, our SD cards. We're going to get all that ready.